Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn about the uh, distance between 2 points. One point is 3 to A, and the other point is -4 and -7. This point is P. We want to find out the distance between these 2 points. The formula to find out the distance is distance AB. We denote the distance with straight lines. Distance AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will name the 2 points as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now we will put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 into the given formula for the distance. Distance is equal to x2 3 minus x1 minus -4 whole square plus y2 2 minus -7 whole square. Now we will simplify this expression. 3 plus 4 whole square plus 2 plus 7 whole square is equal to 7 square plus 9 square, 49 plus 81 is equal to 150 units is the distance between the points A and B. Is there any confusion?
No.
Now we will use this formula in different questions. Question number 1, exercise 6B. Question number 1, C part. Question number 1 is find the length of the line segment joining each of the following pair of points. We want to find out the length of the line joining the 2 points E -1 and 4 and F 8 and -3. We want to find out the length of the piece EF. EF, the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will name the points as x1 y1 and x2 y2 and put the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 into the equation. X2 minus x1, 8 minus -1 square plus y2 -3 minus y1 -4 square. 8 plus 1 square -7 square is equal to 9 square plus 49. 81 plus 49 is 150 units. Any problem in this question?
No.
Now, question number,
We don't have to solve the under root then.
you can, it depends
Okay.
upon the requirement of the question. Sometime it is given that
Okay.
give the answer in the exact form. Sometimes it is given that give the answer correct to two decimal places.
Okay.
Now, question number 3. Question number 3 is given that the coordinates of the point P and Q are, the part A is the coordinates of the point R that lies on y-axis. If a point lies on y-axis, if a point lies on y-axis, what is the special characteristics for this point? What is special in this point? Please describe this point. This point is, what is the x coordinate of this point?
0.
And what's the y coordinate?
Y coordinate 5.
Yes. What's the coordinate of this point?
Which point? Okay. X is 0 and y is -2.
Yes. All the points on the y-axis, the x coordinate is 0.
Yes. Okay.
And the equation of this y-axis is also x is equal to 0.
Okay.
Okay. All the points on this line, all the x coordinates on this line are 0, and the equation of this line is also x is equal to 0.
Okay.
Now, R lies on y-axis. And what is the special characteristics of this point? R lies on y-axis.
So X is 0.
Yes, x coordinate is 0, and the y coordinate is, we may assume that is t. Okay. R lies on y-axis such that PR is equal to QR. That is, the distance PR is equal to distance QR. Now, we will apply the distance formula upon PR. PR. We will name the points as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, x2 minus x1, 0 minus -2 whole square plus t minus 6 whole square is equal to, now QR, name Q as x1, y1, 0 minus 9, x2 minus x1 plus t minus 3 whole square. This one is 2 square, t minus 6 square minus 9 square, 3 square. We will take square on both sides. We will take a square on both sides. Do you know that we can cancel this square root with the 2?
Yes.
We will cancel this square root with 2. We will cancel out this square root with 2. Now we are left with 4 plus. Uh, do you know the formula a minus b whole square?
Yes. A minus B whole square. Yes.
Yes. This will become a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 81 plus t square minus 2 into t into 3 plus 3 square. 4 plus t square minus 12t plus 36 is equal to 81 plus t square minus 6t plus 9. Now, can we cancel out t with t square? T square with t square?
Yes.
We will cancel out this t with t square. Twelve t minus 6t, 40 minus 90. 6t is equal to 50. Can you identify any calculation mistake in this one? I think that it's correct. T is
Yes. It's
equal
correct.
to minus 50 over 6. T is equal to minus 25 over 3.
Yes.
And the coordinates of the point are 0 and minus 25 over
Minus
3.
25 over 3.
This
Okay.
one is the answer to this part A.
Okay. And it's
Now we will attempt question number 3B part. The coordinates of the point S lies on x-axis. S lies on x-axis. What is the special characteristics of a point when it lies on x-axis?
that y is 0.
Yes. The coordinates of this point are 1, 2, 3, minus 4, comma 0. Coordinates of this point are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 0.
9,
And the
0.
equation of this line, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So we can let the point S as t comma 0 because it lies on x-axis and such that PS is equal to QS.
ठीक है.
Now we will apply the distance formula on PS. X2 minus x1. We will name these as x2 y2 and x1 y1. X2 minus x1, that is t minus 2 plus 0 minus 6 whole square is equal to QS. Name Q as x1, y1. T minus 9 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. This will become t plus 2 whole square minus 6 square t minus 9 whole square minus 3 square. We will apply a square on both sides to cancel out the squares. Square to cancel out the square root. This one is t plus 2 whole square plus 36 is equal to t minus 9 whole square plus 9. Now, can you open the square t plus 2 whole square?
Yes. So we'll do t plus 2 multiplied by t plus 2.
No, we will not open this one by splitting the terms. We will open this one using the formula.
Okay.
A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square?
Um, I'm really confused about this formula.
Okay, don't worry. I will guide you. This one is a, this one is b.
Yes.
And the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. And the formula is
Okay.
a square plus 2ab plus b square.
A square plus 2ab
Now,
plus b
now
square.
put the
Okay.
values, respective values in the
So
formula.
t square
Shabash plus 2 bracket open.
plus 2 bracket open t,
Yes.
and then 2
Yes.
plus 2 square.
Very good.
Okay.
Plus 36 is equal to. Now we will open the
We'll have
formula.
to open the brackets. We'll use this formula.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Open the expression t minus 9 whole square with the help of formula.
Uh, uh, t square
Yes. Minus.
plus minus 2 minus 2t, first bracket t, and then minus 9.
No, no, we will not use the sign of the term.
Oh, okay.
This one is only
9. Okay. And then
plus.
plus 9 square.
Yes, we will not use that sign of the term.
Okay. Okay.
Plus 9. Can we cancel out t square on both sides?
Yes.
40 plus 40 is equal to minus 18t plus 90. 18t plus 4t is equal to 50. T is equal to 55 over 22 is equal to 5 over 2. So the coordinates of S are 5 by 2 comma 0.
0. Yeah.
Any
Okay.
question about this?
No.